5 powerful herbs to fight mood swings and restore emotional balance. Absolutely every person routinely faces stressful situations, which as a result can affect his mood. Especially it concerns those people who have short temper and cannot resist such situations. If you don't know how to cope with mood swings and emotional distress, we have a solution for you: herbs. Some herbs can really help you control mood swings by filling you with their beneficial properties. In case you constantly suffer from mood swings, you also need to stick to a healthy diet. Simply avoid caffeine, alcohol, artificial sweeteners, food additives, and highly processed foods, because they have a tendency to throw your whole outlook off balance. By sticking to a healthy diet and drinking useful herbs, you can control mood swings and enhance your emotional health. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Here is a list of 5 powerful herbs that will help you fight mood swings and restore emotional balance. Number 1. St. Johns Wort. This herb will help you maintain a sense of well-being. It is proved that St. Johns Wort helps control mood disorders and raise the emotional state. So, if you are experiencing emotional discomfort, do not forget to drink a cup of this herb before bedtime. Number 2. Passion flower. Passion flower is useful in the treatment of insomnia, anxiety, ADHD, and nervousness. It will also help you boost your overall mood and mental health. Number 3. Ginseng. Ginseng is a stimulating herb, which increases energy levels and general vitality. It will also be helpful for increasing focus and improving the emotional state. Number 4. Rhodiola rosea. This herb is a powerful adaptogen because it normalizes body functions, including the functions of the brain. It can help you decrease stress, improve appetite, and decrease irritability. Number 5. Kava. You probably do not know, but this plant has been used for centuries in the South Pacific Islands as a ceremonial drink. It helps to calm the central nervous system, providing an overall sense of relaxation and relief to the body. In case you suffer from stress or anxiety, pay attention to this herb, because it will help you reduce such emotional problems. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.